Live streamers, there is a secret that not a lot of you are aware of. If you stream on Twitch or on YouTube or on Kick or wherever you stream and you are not using Facebook, I know it's like beating a dead horse, but I swear to God, you're going to want to stay tuned to this because there is a massive growth push on Facebook right now that everyone is overlooking. Recently on Facebook, a lot of content creators have started posting VOD content and treating Facebook like YouTube. And it's been incredibly beneficial. If you have ad revenue unlocked on your pages on Facebook, you can start generating a strong revenue stream. You get more money in your pocket as a content creator, which is completely awesome. It's just something you're gonna want, right? So how we go about this, if you're a Twitch streamer, you're already trying to make short form content and post it all over, you probably have a Facebook page or you use Facebook to some degree. But if you make a 3 to 8 minute video on something related to your stream, chances are, as you make more and more of these, it'll go viral. By viral, I mean I've grown my Facebook page over 4,000 followers in the last 2 months. Now, that might not seem like a lot to you, but that's incredibly quick growth for just posting a couple short videos a week. Mostly my biggest issue with a lot of streamer help videos and all this kind of stuff, and why I haven't made one of these videos in a long time, is because I haven't had anything really new to say. We kind of went over a lot of this stuff in older videos that I used to do here. Now this channel's kind of two different things, right? We have live streams of retro gaming, we kind of hang out and do some weird stuff, and then occasionally I'll make a video like this. But I still felt like I needed to at least address it. If you are not using Facebook to your advantage, and posting there consistently, along with all your other social medias that you're posting to, you're kind of letting yourself down on a whole avenue of audience that doesn't even know what streaming is. That's the real kicker that nobody talks about. Yeah, Facebook isn't working great as a live streaming platform. It just isn't. That's the truth. If you're only on Facebook, you're going to have problems. But what they're not telling you is there are thousands upon thousands of people that will probably watch you. They'll probably watch your content and like it because they are unaware. They're completely disconnected from the idea of what a live stream is. Much like on YouTube, it's the same exact environment. It's just catered a little bit differently, where Facebook currently is actually showing more of our content to more people. Just to bring everything back full circle, start treating your Facebook like you would YouTube. Post your short content there, post some long form content there, and if you do it consistently, eventually you'll start seeing this push that a lot of creators are seeing right now. And I mean a lot of creators. But also, if you only stream on Facebook, you gotta start multi-streaming or get off that platform. For the live streaming side of things on Facebook, it's dead. It's just not working. But you should still stay, right? You should still stay and hang out. You gotta keep things going all over the place. You don't want to just abandon ship completely and put all your eggs into one basket. I strongly believe that. I even started doing a little bit of multi-streaming with that new little plugin that you can use on OBS to multi-stream to different places. I might do a video on that if you guys are interested in it. Otherwise, there's a lot of videos on how to set that up already. I would just give maybe a pointers tip video on how to use that to your advantage, because it is kind of clunky, especially if you're going to multi-stream from Facebook to another platform. If you're streaming from Twitch and YouTube at the same time, you're probably going to have a smoother experience. I hope this video gets out there, and I hope you guys actually find some growth out of this. Let me know in the comments below what other content you might want to see, if there's still some content creators that watch this channel. Like I said, I know it's a variety channel and it kind of drives people nuts because a lot of people are here for two different reasons, but I'm always open to talk about this kind of stuff in my live streams. So if you want to check them out, I'm usually live on Thursdays here, otherwise over on Facebook still. Links in the description below. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you next time.